delicious. Clouds everywhere.
Then it's like blue up there.
Yeah, and it's like raining over there. That's raining.
That's some pretty crummy weather. Probably a car coming without its lights on.
It's supposed to be summer, and it's 41 degrees right now. I think we even had some like snowflakes on the drive today. Probably this time last year we were swimming in this lake. A little different today. So bright now. Ooh, there you go. Nice. Whoa. I had a good idea. Alright, that should be good. Yeah.
Hold that. Right, go. Right, cool.
Yeah, nice. Good head coverage.
Yeah,
I like big tarps and I cannot lie.
this is really good.
Yeah.
I was going to, we also have our tow rope.
Oh, yeah, that could
that
work too.
I could have used to extend this more if need be.
So the camp host drove up and Mike had to talk to him. They can't find my reservation that I made a few days ago. And now he just hopped in his truck and left me. I have no idea. But we're all set up. I'm ready to go. Hopefully we don't have to move. We'll see. Where'd you go?
Oh, just for a joyride.
At service to get some wood.
Yeah. He's like, hop in. You gotta write some stuff on here. Truck was nice and warm and dry.
What was going on with my reservation though?
Oh, he sorted it out. I don't know. He didn't say.
So we're
Yeah.
legit. Stay, Wiley. What's going on?
They wanted to come out.
Yeah? Did he jump into your arms?
No. I told him this was a good way to come out.
He said, cool. You want him on my lap? Sunny and raining. Wish you could see some rainbows. Can you smell it yet?
Yeah.
Sugary goodness. Bulgogi. Still a little frozen, but we'll get there. He's our little inspector.
What?
Inspector.
It works.
You look like a Superman with your poncho cape.
Olé! Right.
Morning.
Hey.
Hey, it was cold last night.
Yeah, I should turn the car on quick and see what temperature it says it is.
Yeah, I feel like it's in the 30s.
All right, so the forecast said 38, right?
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
38.
Oh, it says 46.
What?
That's a lie. I can see my breath. Ooh, I got one other way to validate the temperature. Yeah, where is it? It's in here somewhere. There it is. Doo-doo-doo. All right, here we go. All right, what is the temperature meat thermometer of accuracy? It's dropping. Come on, turn it back on. Turn it back on. Still dropping. 48.9. Man, it's balmy out. I think I'm gonna put my shorts on. Oh, yep, 48.9, 48.7, 48.5, 48.3, 48.2. All right.